Hey everyone, my name is Ashley, and in this video I'm going to show you how I built a 4-foot tall Goomba that doubles as a lumber cart. I got all the lines for Goomba cut out, or drawn out, and what I'm going to do next is cut it out with the jigsaw. Okay, so this is Goomba cut out. So the next thing I need to do is I have another half sheet of plywood, and I'm basically going to cut that into pieces for the actual cart. That's what I'm going to build next. And yeah, and then also, I guess, you know, I gotta do some sanding, and then I'm going to paint this. So let's get to it. So I'm going to use these two colors, and also black for painting Goomba. They're kind of like close enough, and yeah, let's start painting. I just got a bunch of painter's tape, and I taped off a huge section to Goomba, and the next thing I'm going to do is finish up spray painting it. I just kind of did a little rough painting to kind of get a rough idea of where to paint things. So let's wrap this up. Okay, so I just finished painting, and hopefully when I remove the tape, not much of it bled over. So this is the base of the cart, and I marked 9 inches from each end, and this is basically the gap between Goomba's feet. And this is where I'm going to put a divider, here and here. Alright, so the next step is attaching this to Goomba. Base, just a 2x4 with the half lap trunk. I got that assembled and glued. It's not perfect, but nobody's going to see it. And so the final thing to do with Goomba is attach this to his base and install some caster wheels. So this is my cart. It's probably not the most practical of lumber carts, but it's something that matches all my other 8-bit decor in my garage, and I now have a new home for some more scraps. So So thank you so much for checking out my video, and until next time, bye.